with your arm out and just lay on top of your arm. You're like a monkey.
Alright, usually I have a capture card, but I don't have it hooked up right now, so this is a strange glitch I found. I think I pressed... Fuck, okay. I think I pressed B and like left and then A or something. B left on the D-pad and A. I'll figure it out once I do it somehow. But it's very weird. Because he's on my gun. And his head isn't doing right stuff. I'm gonna reload. What the fuck? Alright. Alright, now, I think I figured it out. I think you press B and A at the same time, or press B and A twice, like B A, B A. Anyway, here's something else you could do with it. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. But you can't move, that's the thing. But you sure can groove. Look at him go. He's like a lemur. I don't know what the... And then if I switch weapons, I drop him. Since I'm holding the camera, I can't really shoot back. Thank you. That didn't work that time. Alright, you come down for me, please. Thank you. Damage. Damage! Alright. You almost got him. There we go. This is quite intriguing. Bubba? This guy is just silly. Alright. I'll come back to you when I have it done. Somebody joined the party. But anyway, this is what it looks like when you're not host. Okay, so the tutorial, the real one is you press A then B, like AB, and then you'll get them to do this. You can do this with other people too, like not just, like that's me right there. Hello me. Mwah, mwah. Anyway, look at me go. Here, melee. I can groove. Ouch. I smacked myself. So, that's that glitch. You can do it in multiplayer. You can walk around with it sometimes. Other times you'll get stuck like he is. And that's about it. Okay, now we've reached another chapter in this glitch. You can stand on my hand. Whoa. Wiggly wiggly. I'm gonna jam my gun. Look at him go. Wiggle 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 wiggle. Alright, I'm gonna melee. I don't know, but now he's back to normal. Like how the glitch was originally supposed to be, I think. It's born to kill. Oh, I took cover?